The core of this is being true to all living beings. We no longer talk just about, oh, I like the taste or I don't like the taste. We're past that. It's convenient or not convenient. Come on, get over it. We're talking about spirituality. We're not talking about going to 7-Eleven being open at 3 a.m. That's not what our spiritual path is about. It's about what we do that we know is right. Completely right. Unquestionably good. Unarguably the best way to treat all beings. Some religions will call it the golden rule. Yeah, it's made of gold. It does not tarnish even after thousands or tens of thousands of years. Don't hurt anybody or anything. Don't take advantage of anybody or anything. Don't pay people who take advantage of other beings and then eat the products and say that I didn't do it. Sorry, there are no excuses. We can't run away. We can't hide behind the milk carton and say, well, I didn't cause the cow to suffer. Sorry. Okay. You can make up excuses if you're at the university or the medical complex or even in some religions. All kinds of excuses are available. We know. We've heard them. But on the spiritual path, really it's a path of transparency. If we're taking advantage of another being, others may know, but we know. We know that, oh, I paid for a latte this morning, and I know that money goes to the dairy farmer who's probably impregnating the cows artificially against their will, who's probably destroying the male calves, selling them for flesh, and then imprisoning the female calves because they will grow up to produce more and more milk. I know that. I cannot unknow that. And once we know it, and we want to be true to ourselves, we need to take that step of being purely vegan. So our spirituality is the way we live. It's not just what we profess. If I say, be kind to all beings, yeah, sounds great. Or love your neighbor as you love yourself. Thou shalt not kill. Do not hurt or take advantage of anybody. Ahimsa, what word is that? Sanskrit. I think that's Sanskrit from India. Ahimsa, it's just a word for so many people. So many people on the spiritual path use these words. Compassion or metta karuna. We hear these words, but less often we see them actually practiced, especially breakfast, lunch, dinner. We don't see the practice. We just hear the talk. Today's talk is the walk.